Hi guys, okay, welcome to another episode of Car DIY. Okay, so for today's episode, okay, as you can see, we have some stuff over here. Okay, this is the Harman Kardon speakers, okay, that we'll be fixing, okay, on the BMW F10 5 Series. So we'll be changing out the door speakers. Okay, and for this, there will be a tweeter as well. This one doesn't come with the tweeter. So we'll be changing out all these, okay, because the sound system on the stock BMW 5 Series, okay, is not that great. Yep, so we are planning to upgrade the system. Okay, please remember to like and subscribe. So without further ado, okay, let's just start the DIY. So let's go. Alright, so guys, we have already done up the whole installation, okay, of the two speakers on the door and on the tweeter. Right, so we actually have tested the audio. Right, the bass is much better, okay, because this is the mid bass. Okay, it has a bit of kick into it rather than the stock ones. The stock ones will be like, you know, it's like rattling and stuff. Yeah, so and this one, the tweeter, right, actually makes the sound sharper. Okay, and we decided to do this actually a while ago, but this is the best time. Okay, you have time, you know, why not do something to your car? Okay, so I hope you guys have liked this episode. Remember to like and subscribe, okay, and we'll have more episodes coming up, okay, on Car DIY. Okay, so see you around everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye bye.